Édition du Qatar Prix de l'Arc de Triomphe avec nous. C'est avec grand plaisir que j'accueille le jockey Thierry Janet, messieurs, dames, voilà le vainqueur. Thierry, quelle émotion, parce qu'il faut dire, vous avez obtenu la monte il y a 3 jours seulement. Qu'est-ce que ça représente pour vous de remporter cet arc?
On ne se lâche jamais de victoires. Celle-ci, tout particulièrement, puisque l'Arc de Triomphe est pour moi la plus grande course au monde. Ça le prouve encore aujourd'hui, puisque tous les compétiteurs, les meilleurs compétiteurs de la planète, rêvent de remporter un jour ou l'autre cette belle épreuve. J'ai eu la chance une nouvelle fois d'être associé à Trèves, après les malheurs qu'a subi Lanfranco Dettori. Bon, ça arrive dans la vie d'un jockey d'être accidenté. Ça a été le cas pour moi déjà il y a quelques temps. C'est un petit peu la face sombre des courses. Maintenant, il y a des bons moments aussi. Aujourd'hui, j'en vis un. Et je dirais que c'est magique parce que j'ai la chance de monter une très grande championne.
I have to translate everything now in English, which was a long speech. Basically, I asked Thierry what it meant to him to win the Arc. He only got the ride a few days ago because Frankie was broke his leg, and he said he was delighted, obviously, to ride Trèves again because he rode her in the Prix de Diane. And he said, we know in the life of a jockey that this happens. You have days where things work out. You have days where they don't work out. In this instant, he said, obviously every victory is very, very important. This one is a beautiful victory, not more because for the horse than in a way for himself, because you have a strong affinity with Trèves. I'm straight away. Il y a une question? Mayol.
Oui, bonjour Mayol Kerr, jour de galop, bonjour Thierry, bravo. Une question, par rapport à l'époque où vous gagnez l'Arc pour André Fabre, où vous étiez un jockey qui avait très souvent l'occasion de gagner des groupes 1, mais aussi plus jeune, est-ce que vous en profitez plus aujourd'hui et comment vous comparez par exemple, je sais pas, avec l'Arc de Carnegie par exemple?
Je dirais qu'avec les années, on a plus de sérénité, on a plus d'expérience. Le temps fait des choses aussi. C'est vrai que je les vis différemment. Maintenant, comment expliquer, ces victoires sont toujours intéressantes. Je continue de monter en cours justement parce que je vibre énormément avec ces belles épreuves. Et cette saison tout particulièrement, où j'ai eu la chance de gagner plusieurs groupes 1 en une saison, c'est assez rarissime. Donc malgré les années, je suis encore compétitif, ça me réconforte et ça me donne encore de beaux challenges et j'ai encore vraiment envie de continuer.
Donc la retraite n'est pas pour demain?
Non, on me pose la question depuis un bon moment maintenant et j'y pense même pas parce que j'ai besoin j'ai besoin des courses. Je vis au quotidien, je dirais presque pas 24 heures sur 24, mais un bon moment avec les chevaux le matin, l'après-midi, le soir. Et voilà, ils me le rendent bien.
Alors, je vais vite traduire. The question was put towards Thierry, how he felt having ridden the NARC winner with Carnegie. Now we are a few years later and he's ridden Trèves. Does it still mean as much? Does it mean more? And Thierry said that it was a different time when he was working for André Fabre. It was a different way of riding then. He said he's delighted that at his age he can still be very performant and effective today. And he was then asked if there was ever any moment that he thought about stopping, and Thierry said, well, you do think about life, but he said, I am enjoying it every moment, and in fact, I don't really think about it. And j'ai oublié quelque chose? No? That was it. Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please, if we could put our hands together for the winning trainer, Cricket Head, we are very happy to have you here.
Thank you very much.
And Alec Head, it is a family-run thing, so well done.
I want to say a word to Thierry, if you may.
Good.
I don't want Thierry to retire because I've got a sister to Trèves, and I want him to ride her. So I don't want him to retire too soon. J'ai dit que je voulais pas que tu t'arrêtes, Thierry, et qu'on avait d'autres chevaux et la sœur de Trèves et que je voulais que tu les montes.
So I think you've all heard that what Cricket said. En français, dans Cricket, elle veut absolument pas que Thierry s'arrête parce qu'elle a une sœur de Trèves. Mais je pense, comme vous avez dit, vous n'y pensez pas. Donc,
bien sûr que non, il est en pleine forme.
Absolument.
Il n'a aucun problème de poids, il est en pleine forme. Il n'a pas le droit de s'arrêter.
Non, absolument, on est d'accord, on est d'accord. Cricket, il faut dire, Trèves, elle l'a fait d'une manière étonnante.
Oui, elle m'a même surprise. Je la croyais bonne, mais aujourd'hui, elle a montré toute l'étendue, parce que jusqu'à maintenant, en réalité, on ne lui avait pas demandé grand-chose. Elle a toujours fait ça très facilement. Et aujourd'hui, elle a montré vraiment que c'était une championne. Parce que la course s'est pas très bien passée pour elle quand même. Elle est le nez au vent toute la course, sans tirer, parce dans la descente, il était à côté d'Orfèvre. Moi, je trouvais que, bon, c'était pas la meilleure place, mais enfin, c'est lui qui est à bord, et donc il sait ce qu'il fait. Et quand il lui a demandé d'avancer, là, j'ai compris qu'on allait gagner.
I was asking Cricket, did she expect for the filly to win this well? And she said no. It was a surprise to you as well. I know you speak English. You're happily...
Yes, it was a surprise because we've never pushed her so far. So today she really showed that she's got 7 gears. I thought she had 6 gears, but today she put the 7 gears on, and when she left, she's won so easily. I mean, it's fantastic. I don't know what to say.
And I think we also need to say, because you said that she didn't have the right, she didn't have a very, very good position. She was running quite freely. But you said, well, you were not on board, he was on board, but you said when she came, you knew she was going to win.
Yes, when she came easily without pulling, he had plenty in hands, and you could see she was going over the others.
Are there any questions that you would like to ask? Any questions from the floor?
Seulement de raconter l'histoire de Trèves, qui est une histoire assez particulière, puisqu'au départ, elle était un petit peu mal aimée, entre guillemets.
Alors, on va peut-être poser la question à Alec. Racontez-nous l'histoire de Trèves, un petit peu de son histoire, parce qu'elle est venue de petit, et puis elle est venue dans le Diane gagner.
Ben oui, elle avait eu des problèmes à l'entraînement au printemps. Cricket n'avait pas pu faire ce qu'elle voulait. Et c'est pour ça qu'elle est venue tardivement au Prix de Diane, sans beaucoup de courses. Mais moi, j'ai entraîné de bonnes juments dans ma carrière d'entraîneur, des championnes, beaucoup de championnes. Mais je pense qu'elle est supérieure. Aujourd'hui, elle nous a vraiment époustouflés.
Pas que vous. Alec Ed was saying that the question was put to him. Trev worked her way up. She had very humble beginnings, and he was saying, well, she had a lot of problems in the spring, and cricket couldn't train her the way she wanted to. And he said, but we always knew that she was a very good filly, and she proved it today. And he said, you've trained a lot of good winners, but she is really good fillies.
Yeah, I won 2 arcs with fillies.
Yes.
And a second. So, you know, I had some good fillies, but this one, I think she's above them all.
No, that's a pretty big statement, because you have trained some very good fillies. So what can we expect from her? I mean, after an arc, you sort of go, what is going to happen? Is she staying in training? Is she going to the Breeders' Cup? Is she going...
To win it next year.
Bah, c'est une bonne nouvelle. Donc, I asked if what she was going to do now, and Alex said, well, she's going to win it again next year. Cricket.
Bien sûr.
Cricket, donc, alors, c'est quoi le programme pour elle?
Écoutez, je crois qu'elle a mérité de se reposer un petit peu. Moi, je ne veux pas aller courir à la Breeders' Cup, donc je vais demander au chèque de l'arrêter cette année si on pouvait. S'il y avait une course à courir avec elle, j'irais peut-être à Hong Kong.
D'accord, okay. So the question was asked, what she was going to do. Cricket said she would like to ask the owner to give her a rest. She said if there was a race, maybe Hong Kong. Right. I also think, I think it's remarkable. She's now unbeaten, and to stay in training, you must be very, very happy with that.
Of course, of course. You know, it's a dream for a trainer to have a horse like that. But she makes everyone look good because she's so good herself that it's easy, very easy.
And which is surprising because she's she's a motivator filly.
Yes.
And we were all a bit worried how she would react today with all the noise, but she was all right.
Yeah, she was okay. She was perfect, and what we do, we put plug in her ears, like that she doesn't listen too much to the noise and to the crowd. And then we unplug her when she goes into the stall.
Oui, une question pour Cricket. Cricket, tu nous as dit que tu souhaitais l'arrêter donc cette année si c'était possible. Est-ce que c'est dans l'objectif d'un doublé dans l'arc l'année prochaine par exemple?
Mais bien sûr, c'est ce que je vais proposer à Sheikh Johan. C'est de la garder pour l'année prochaine, la ramener ici et recourir à l'arc en espérant de pouvoir faire un doublé, absolument.
One more question? Sorry. Cricket, could you just repeat that in English for our English friends? So basically you're going to try and ask the Sheikh
Yes,
to...
I'm going to talk with Sheikh Johan there. After I'm finished with you, I'm going to go and see him. And we're going to talk about keeping her as a 4-year-old in training with the objective of coming back next year here in Longchamp and win the arc again. Because I think she will improve. There's still lots of improvement in her physically.
Cricket, you obviously you have shares in Motivator. Why do you think that obviously the 2-horse last year, the Aga Khan won, the horse with the Motivator, and you've won one with Trev. Why do you think in England everything seemed to go wrong for Motivator, for breeding?
You should ask the English trainer. I think Motivator is a fantastic sire myself. We've got him there at the stud. Papa brought him at the stud, so that's fantastic. But it's a horse, you have to give them time. The Motivator, you can't push them as early on. They show you ability, and this filly did. But I couldn't do anything with her early on this year. She needed time to come to herself. And then when she showed me that she was right, we had a race here as a 2-year-old. She went nicely, and then she went on doing everything we asked her. And we've got a sister coming up very soon by Monsieur Sidney.
You buy her back in the sale 2011 for 22,000 euro. What was the limit? How much did you have to sell her for?
Oh, I think it's on.
It's on.
I think if she'd have made 50, 60,000, we might have let her go.
So many regrets
but
today.
I thought 22,000 was ridiculous because the dam had already produced a good horse called Trois Rois, who was a group horse. So it was no surprise that this filly could go on and be a useful filly.
So really, what you're saying is there were some very silly people at the sales who didn't react.
No, you can't say that. No. Don't say that because that's not right. But you know, people were scared. She was by Motivator. Motivator at that time didn't do anything. So Bloodstock agent, they didn't look at her. They said the English people, they didn't want to bring her to England, and the big market is there. So that was the reason. And we thought it was too cheap, so we brought her back. And we did right because what she's done so far, it's fantastic.
Well, I think, ladies and gentlemen, we should let the connections go because they want to celebrate, unless there's some very, very important question you would like to ask. But otherwise, I would like them to enjoy their victory, well-deserved victory.
Thank you very much to all the press because I've been bothered all week, and with pleasure I receive you because I think you're part of our job. You do your job very well, and you have to come and see us more often.
Oh, thank you, Cricket. We love you.